Hello, everyone. Zaki feels safe. He has $10,000 in cash locked away for a rainy day. He thinks his wealth is protected, but behind him, a silent predator is growing. Meet the inflation monster, the invisible thief of 2026. The monster doesn't take your money, it takes what your money can buy. In 2021, this stack bought a car. In 2026, after the monster's breath, it only buys a motorcycle. The numbers on the bills stay the same, but the power is fading. Sitting on too much cash is a losing game. At 4% inflation, your money loses half its value every 18 years. By keeping it under a mattress or in a 0% bank account, Zaki is essentially paying a laziness tax to the monster. To fight back, Zaki changes his strategy. He moves his excess cash into appreciating assets. These are the monster's only weakness. As the price of bread and gas goes up, the value of these assets rises faster. The monster can't touch them. In 2026, cash is for emergencies, not for wealth. Zaki keeps 6 months of expenses in a high-yield account, his small shield, but sends the rest to the front lines to work for him. The monster is still there, but Zaki is finally winning. Are you feeding the monster or fighting it? Download our inflation-proof portfolio guide in the description. Subscribe to Business World, Money and Wealth to stay ahead of the game.